fellow Americans. A short time ago, Joe Biden beat me in the election, and not only did he win, he won by a lot, actually.
Kublai pikinang pait baro bat kumjuru yaki subscriber tementa kindiat nginya pa syaka kubor kablami napo kari Amerika. Laang ba menden kasining kong kabadeka arpulai tarik ubnai November usnam araja arpau laang ba u Donald Trump ula ayu shabi jangka White House kabadeka ying sa jangki presiden cha u Joe Biden hadin ba u neu Donald Trump ula menjor ya kajing syarem jong u hakateka election president jong u usnam arajar arpau. Berkat kum ka khubor bala yo lum lai thu ba hadin jong kituki tayo bat kibnai ki baladap hakba u Donald Trump ula kentaj ban ayu shabi bat kum juru ya kabor kum u presiden sha u Joe Biden menta u Donald Trump ula penjam knap ba ula yai sha yala de ba ula syarem hakane ka election arajar arpau. Bala ang ruba u Trump ula kentai ban aya ka bor sha u Joe Biden hak tu ki benai ki baladap kadai hadin ba u Donald Trump ula keno ba u Joe Biden ula sule tu hakatai ka election. Henry minta hadin bala dep nyau biang ki vote hapo katai ka ri Amerika lai i ba u Joe Biden ula tamsi saya u Donald Trump hak ba u Joe Biden ula yo kemba lais pa andrew electoral votes bat u Donald Trump pat ula yo kemba ars pa lai puar electoral votes kabamut kemba andrew paulak tam ki votes u Joe Biden ula job ya u Donald Trump hakatai ke election president jakari Amerika. Bat wat hadin kaneru u Donald Trump u klem pencam yala de bat u ang ba unang tre susu nang ne syakhamat ban wat ba ya kasabut lane ban wat kumno u Joe Biden ucap ya kanek election arja arpau hakatai ke ri Amerika. Pat jamenta u Joe Biden ula yo ban syang hapo ka White House hadin ba u Donald Trump ula ayu shabi ba ya ka bor ya u Joe Biden barlong ko presiden ba pura jangkari Amerika jang unus nam araja arpau bat susuru u Joe Biden ula jid ya ki nangkit kam ki jang u hakba unsen syari kategori Amerika nadu mentau snam araja arpau hadu usnam araja arpau san.
Fellow Americans, a short time ago, Joe Biden beat me in the election, and not only did he win, he won by a lot, actually. Therefore, it is time for me to step aside because let's face it, I wasn't probably on my game and I wasn't doing so well. And, you know, I'm the only president in history to lose the popular vote twice and to get impeached. It's time for a change. Greatest dream in the world is that Joe Biden wins because the winner of this vote was decided by a fair and open election. Therefore, I humbly concede to Joe Biden. The American people have responded and they said to me, you're fired. Get out.
Di tangkane khubor mta ka janmet ngin sai syampat hakawe ka video ka ban sawan.